The ComEd Energy Efficiency Program helped Columbia College Chicago save money and energy with incentives to install an energy management system.
We have about 15 buildings here in the city of Chicago in the South Loop. It's about a little over 1 million square feet of very diverse buildings that serve our students and faculty.
We really do value our students, and we value what our students want, and sustainability is really a big factor for our students these days. Two of the main building automation systems we have on campus, one controls all the HVAC on campus, and one does lighting. The HVAC, we can control anything. Our engineers can turn on pumps, turn off pumps, they can turn on heating, cooling, change temperatures, check spaces, which reduces the amount of time that we have to walk through all of the buildings and actually physically feel them. We can just look at a sensor, look at a temperature. The lighting system puts a schedule on the lighting so that, at night the lighting cuts back for more savings.
Our building automation system, it integrates all the controls in your building, and it gives you one centralized control from which you can continuously monitor, you can analyze, you can troubleshoot everything from one place. So it improves the efficiency of your building and also your business.
The energy efficiency program with ComEd is such an easy thing to do for any institution. Because what they do is they work with you, and there are incentives. Obviously, there's cost savings, which every institution, really is looking for, particularly these days.
Our eyes have been opened to climate change. I think it's really stressed the importance of doing everything we can from our part and really just protect our planet for future generations. I think a lot of our campus buildings are pretty old buildings historically and are being renovated, and so being able to include aspects of energy efficiency is super important.
One of the biggest projects we have is installing LEDs in all of the buildings. ComEd's been great with all of this.
I really think that other institutions should participate. If you don't have a building automation system, you should look into getting one and upgrading your program.
By limiting their carbon footprint, a creative, diverse student body and faculty can expand on an artistic footprint, seen all over the South Loop and practiced well beyond. ComEd, powering lives.